Let's instantly add a meadow foreground to this beautiful image here. So quite often when you're shooting a gorgeous image like this, you have the beautiful blurred background and then your subject can cut off quite abruptly in the front. So you can solve that by adding a blurred foreground. So I'm going to click on the Floral Flame actions. If this is the first tutorial you're watching, you can watch video tutorial number 1 where I show you how to install and get started with these. This is a continuation tutorial. So I'm going to use the actions to apply, but you can drag and drop by hand. And for this image, of course, I'm going to use the meadow foreground number 6, which is really orangey toned, or 5 would work as well, but I'm going to go for 6 here, just so it matches the peaches, and we can make this match a little bit more with the actions or some hand editing. So we're just going to bring that in, and you can see already that has finished off our image really beautifully. On the actions, I'm just going to click lighten up. You can add your own adjustments, perhaps muted light as well, and lighten up again. Let's go for a dink of contrast pop, just so this matches a little bit more with what we have already in our scene. So there we go, before and after. You can add a bit of blur by clicking on blur paint you choose. And there we go, beautiful foreground blur. And if at any point you think any of the florals are kind of overlaying an area of your image you don't want them to, you can just paint them off by clicking on the layer mask. Now just click peachier tone there as well, just to kind of adapt them a little bit. You can click any of these. So before and after, just adding this beautiful Meadow Foreground Overlay 6. And that's in the Bluebell Meadow Whimsy pack over on the LSP Actions website. And you can watch the other tutorials on the website under the video library. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.